Instagram recently released a repost feature. Don't see it on your app yet? We are here to help. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to get the repost button on Instagram if you don't have it yet. Now let's get started. The first thing to do if you're missing a new Instagram feature is check for an app update. Go to the App Store and search for Instagram. See if there's an update available. If so, tap Update to install it. Once the update is complete, open the app and see if the feature's there. If it's still missing after that, try logging out of your account and logging back in. Go to your profile and tap the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll all the way to the bottom and tap Log Out. Close out the app and reopen it. Then sign back into your account. If you're still missing the new feature at this point, try deleting the app and reinstalling it. Hold down the Instagram app icon on your home screen, then choose the option to delete the app. Once you've removed the app, open the App Store and re-download Instagram. Once you've reinstalled the app, open it and see if the repost button has appeared. If you're still missing the feature at this point, you may need to wait for it to be rolled out to your region or device type. You can also try putting in a support request with Instagram to see if they can help you out. That's all it takes to get the repost feature if it's missing on your Instagram account. Want to learn how to use the repost feature? Check out this tutorial next. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every day.